February the 25th, 2013. The latest in a series of major winter storms and blizzards over the past several weeks across the United States has broken 110-year-old records across parts of Texas and Kansas. The National Weather Service reported a historic blizzard for Texas, produced up to 21 inches of snow across the region. The heavy snow combined with strong winds over 60 and 70 miles per hour, resulting in visibilities of less than 50 feet at times, for many locations, virtually crippling the entire region, with nearly all roads in the Texas and Oklahoma panhandles area closed. Reposted February 17, 2013. Prophecy. December the 7th, 2012. A major elemental disaster will strike southwest USA shortly. This resulted in incredible snowdrifts, some of which reportedly reached up to 10 feet in some areas, stranding many motorists.